Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset your control center in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and open settings app. Once you are in the setting app, you need to scroll down and here you can see control center, so simply tap on it. Once you tap on control center, you need to tap on the reset control center and then confirm reset control center. Once you do that, you will be able to reset control center. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.